You ever heard the tragedy of Dark Plagueis the Wise? ¿No? Eso pensé. Welcome to Spanish con Miguel. Here you will find short and fun Spanish lessons. Like and subscribe for new videos every week. Today is May the 4th, the Star Wars Day, el día de Star Wars. Por eso, today I'm going to teach you 7 iconic lines from Star Wars in Spanish. Now, you have to be aware that there are 2 translations in Spanish for Star Wars, one from Europe and one for Latin America. Today, we're going to be talking about the one for Latin America because this is the way. This is the way. This iconic line from The Mandalorian in Spanish from Latin America is El camino así es. And why are there 2 translations in Spanish for Star Wars? Because only a Sith deals in absolutes. In Latin American Spanish, this is solo un Sith es tan radical tomando decisiones. Only a Sith is so radical taking decisions. One of the most iconic lines of Star Wars is No, I am your father, which in Spanish is No, yo soy tu padre. This is one of the most emotional moments in Star Wars history for me, especially after watching the Clone Wars, the animation. The time has come, execute Order 66. In Latin American Spanish, el momento ha llegado. Ejecuten la Orden 66. This is one of my favorite quotes from Star Wars. This one comes from Rogue One, and I use it a lot with my friends when we are gaming, when we are playing video games together, and we may be stealthy or something like that. I am one with the Force, and the Force is with me. Soy uno con la fuerza, y la fuerza me acompaña. A very important one for Spanish learners. This one is directed to you. Do or do not. There's no try. Hazlo o déjalo. No hay intentos. And of course, the most iconic Star Wars sentence ever. And this one is the same in Latin America and in Europe. Que la fuerza te acompañe. That's it for this video. Please let me know in the comments. What's your favorite Star Wars series or movie? Who's your favorite character? And of course, what's your favorite line? I might give it to you back in Spanish, so leave it in a comment. With that being said, don't forget to subscribe if you like my content y nos vemos en el próximo video. Que la fuerza los acompañe.